So first of all, a client should identify the location of his land and the size of the land that he's purchasing to build a new home. The next thing, every person has a different lifestyle and a certain way they live their life. So they need to work together with the design team to match the flow of the house to their lifestyle and their needs. So that will be a very big deal. And the last thing, to understand what size home he wants to build, to make sure that where he's building the new house, there are all kinds of restrictions, how many % of a house out of the land is allowed to be built. For example, 45% is what allowable. So 45% out of 10,000 square feet will be 4,500 square feet home. But if you want 6,000 square feet home, you won't be able to build it on a 10,000 square feet lot. So you have to identify the size of the lot per your requirements and how big the house you want to be. As you can see, this is one example of our houses. We talk to the client and understand what they need and what they want, and understand their wishes, the style they are at. Each client has different style, different look, different colors. Some like LED lights, some don't, some like color LED lights. Like this client here does have LED light behind the mirror here, so we customize it for him this way. Now the biggest thing is to work with our designers. We have in-house designers that will help the customer to actually build everything per their requirements and their vision. What we do, we're doing 3D rendering, where we can show the clients the choice of material, and then what in very close to reality, what it's going to look like. We are all about quality. We are a Diamond certified company, and we're all about quality. We're not about how low we can sell it or how bad the product will be. The opposite. We want to have the best product possible. We want to have the best quality materials because we know people investing a lot of money and they want to protect their investment and they want it to last for a long time. So the materials, we always recommend the client to go with the best material out there in the market. We price it. If the price is too high on the finishes, we can scale back and get something that is a little bit less of high quality but still in good quality, and purchase it for the client and make sure that they're getting what they want at the end of the day, look wise and budget wise. So here is another good example. This is 1/2 inch thick glass, and also we have a Enduro shield built in it, so you don't have the water streaks on it. So if I take water and I will splash on the glass, after the glass dries, you will not have the spots of the water. This is the difference between really high quality glass to where we can do the shower for less high quality, which will be just the Starfire without the Enduro shield, or you can go even one step further down, which not to do the Sapphire. The Sapphire glass door gives you the most clear view in, and the Enduro shield gives you clean glass at all times. Once it's being cleaned, this is a little bit dusty still from the construction, but once you totally clean this, it will always almost be invisible, like there is no glass. And this is the difference between really high quality materials versus good quality materials, but really not at the high spectrum of quality. So I will address already the whole construction. So by law, we have to give 1 year of anything and everything on workmanship, 5 years on waterproofing, like all the showers, windows, roofs, etc., stucco, siding, etc., and 10 years on all structural work, which is foundation and framing. However, we don't have a lot of redos. We don't go back and redoing a lot of things in warranty because we don't need to. We make sure to do things right the first time, and normally we don't need to go. However, if here and there things can happen and the client will call us, even if it passed the year, we will come back and take care of the client because it's all about the relationship. It's not just about the project and one time. We love to maintain our clients and our relationship with clients to make sure They're at all times happy, and if there is something that is also beyond warranty, we always help out and just take care of it for the client. For design, build, or remodeling, new construction, yard development, and pools, you can contact us at www.siguraconstruction.com or at 408-492-1379.